Let's try to understand mixed fractions. Okay, mixed fractions, what are they? Okay, let's see giving. Well, let's consider you are in a party and let's say pizza party. Now in pizza party, at the end of the party, there are 3 pizzas left. Let me draw the 3 pizzas left, right? 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 pizzas left. You decide with your friend that why to waste? Let's share and take them home. So you and your friend share the 3 pizza. How will you share them equally? Well, that is a big problem. So you came with an idea that let's divide them into halves. Let's say like this. Okay, so these are 3 different pizzas. You divide them into half. And then your friend took first half, you took the other. Next time you took one half and your friend took the other. Then your friend took this one half, and you took the other. Correct? Now, that is how you shared. Can you tell me how much of pizza did you take? What fraction did you take? And what fraction did your friend take? Well, your friend took 1 half, 2 half, and 3 half, right? So you can write your friend took 3 half, 3 by 2. Do you understand? 3 by 2. Or you can do like this. When you put the 2 halves together, it becomes 1 full. Do you see that? And a half. So you can say, you can write this as also equals to 1 full and a half. Do you see that? So half and half makes 1, and you're left with half more. So half, 1 and a half. So that's how you get 1 and a half. Does it make sense to you? Yes. Well, these two are tricky fractions. This one is called improper fraction. Why? It has got higher numerator than the denominator, right? And this one is called mixed fraction. It's got 1 whole and 2 halves. Do you see that? So that is what is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a fraction which has a whole number along with a fraction, but a proper fraction, okay? And you could also say this as 3/2, which is a mixed fraction. We'll talk about mixed fraction in another video. Let's look for this mixed fraction. I hope you understand now what a mixed fraction is. Mixed fraction has a whole in it and some fraction, okay? Now, let's try to see it in a different way. If I write a mixed fraction 2, 3/4, right? So how can you show that mixed fraction? 2 wholes, that means 2 full. Okay, so in terms of our pizza, we will say, well, let's have 2 full, let's say 1, 2, and the next one we have to divide into 4. Okay, let's do it. We have to divide this into 4 and take 3. When we divide 1, we need similar kinds of fractions elsewhere. So let's say these are our 3 pizza, and we take 2 wholes, that means full, right? Full. 1 full, 2 full, right? So we are taking 2 full and 3/4. So this is 1/4, right? This is 2/4 and this is my 3/4. Do you see that? So that becomes 3/4 and 2 full. So mixed fraction has whole numbers, the full things, and a part of it, and that is 3/4. That is what we call mixed fractions, correct? So mixed fractions always will have a whole number along with a fraction. Now, for you as an exercise, try to draw these mixed fractions 3.5. That means 3 wholes and a half. You can draw it here, and 2 2 over 3. Okay, you can draw it here, and let's have a bigger number, 4 3/4. Okay, try to draw these mixed fractions. Okay, you can use shapes like rectangle also. Let me do this one for you. So 2 full, we can do 2 rectangles, 1 2 full and 1 1/3. So we can do like this, right? So when we have a fraction, we have to have common denominator. So we have to divide each into 3 equal parts. So let's do it. So say 1 part, 2, so we got 3 parts, right? So we'll draw 2 lines to get 3 parts, right? And then you have to shade 2 whole and 2 out of 3. Do it yourself. Here you can draw rectangles like this. Here you can also draw like this. You can have one here, one under it, right? One more. You need 4, right? 4 and then 3/4. So you need one more, right? In how many parts will you divide each? You will divide them into 4 equal parts, right? Here, let's draw circles, right? So we draw 1 circle, 2 circle. It could be any shape, right? 3 circles. Divide them into halves. So you got 3 full and then 1 more to show your half. Do you see that? So you can make 3 and a half. Do you see that? So that is how you need to understand what a mixed fraction is. Mixed fraction as a whole and a fraction, right? That is how it is. I hope you understand. Thank you.